Hey guys, so in my previous video I had exported my Postman collection and run it using Newman and printed and with Allure as the listener. So let me just in this video I'm going to show you how to do it in Jenkins. So let me just delete that one. So I've exported my Postman collection to my file over here. So let me just repeat what I did the other time. So I'll go to this folder and now run this using Newman and print an Allure report. So it will run, and if I generate that report, it will be generated on Allure. So how can you do this in Jenkins? So you just go to your Jenkins, go to your dashboard, click on new item. So in this new item, let me just do that. Let me name 124 test. I'll create a pipeline. All right. Now, when you come to your pipeline, so actually, first of all, you need to make sure you've installed, let me just go back. You need to make sure you've installed Allure Report. So you can find it on plugins, available plugins. You search for Allure. So for me, I've already installed. So you need to install Allure. As you can see, it has been installed here. So you can also install Node.js as well. So I've already installed on my end. If I search, I've already installed Node already in my system. So after you've installed Allure Report and Node.js plugins, you'll just come to Tools, go to Node.js installation. I've done it to be installed automatically, and for Allure, I've also made it to be installed automatically. You can do it and install. You can point the directory where it's installed in your system, but I'll do it automatically. So that's how you do it. After you've configured that, now we need to create that pipeline. So I'll go to my dashboard, I'll go to my 124 test. I haven't configured this pipeline yet. Now let's configure. So I've already made a script for this, so I'll just copy it and explain it how it works. All right, so here's my script. Let me just expand it and explain it. All right, so the first stage is to build and test. So first of all, just like I did in my command line, like I did in my command line before, I went into my folder, my directory, in order to run my test from there, since my Postman collection is actually there in my RESTful in this folder. Let me delete this one first. So I'll go to that directory. So I'll go to my directory, which is this one. Second of all, I'll include env.PATH, where like all my Node.js and npm libraries are located. Like Newman is installed there, so I need to set that path. In my bin folder. This is where like most of my items are installed. So I'll set that path. The third one now is to run with Newman runner that collection. So this one will generate an Allure report, And now after it generates, this one now will generate it will generate a report in my folder, which it will create a folder for results here. And now this one now will generate the report for Jenkins to read those files. So it will go to my my path and check on the Allure Results path for my Allure Reports files that are generated. Then after that, I've put a step where it will reset the Allure Results. So basically, after it has run this, after I generate the report, it resets the results on the Allure Results directory, so that when I run it, it will be like a new, fresh run. Because if I don't do that, it will show the previous run. But for now, I've included it to delete the contents of that directory, so that the moment I run again and again, it will be like a new run. So basically, that's how I've set my pipeline. If I'll just click save here and try to build this. So if I build this, it will start building. Yep, and it has it generated the Allure report and also reset it. So if I click on this, I'll be able to see the report has been generated. And if you check, it's 11:49, so it's the latest one. I can go to it, then I can see all my tests that passed, like the response, also the test script that I had written. So basically that's it. That's how you configure Jenkins for Allure report when you want to run your Newman Postman tests here. You can comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and yeah, you can subscribe as well if you want more videos like this. Thanks.